Yo, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you a great resource for running Paigham Bot campaigns that you can essentially mark up and sell so you'll never essentially run out of offers to make money with Paigham Bot, right? If you have a big enough list, or even if you don't have a list, you can very quickly scrape like a list of contact pages and run a campaign and start making money and getting clients through like an agency model, okay? So before we get into that, if you guys like videos like this about digital marketing, you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. I put out videos as often as I can. Lately, it's been every day, and it will continue to be every day for the foreseeable future, because I'm in it to win it, baby. Also, go subscribe to my my fitness channel, where I talk about fitness, fasting, health, all kinds of other stuff. That channel's a little bit bigger, a little bit more successful than this one because I've been doing it for longer. I put out a lot of good content over there, so go subscribe over there as well if you love me. And if you really love me, then head over to my Patreon page. I've got some interesting stuff over there as well. Some perks, some cool things for people who like my content. And I'm trying to transition into making videos full time and becoming a professional internet celebrity where I just like go around and do cool shit and just am like I said, in it to win it. Okay, so do all that, and now let's talk about my new Paigham Bot strategy. Okay, so we're going to use a site called Legiit.com. Now, I made another video about this, but essentially Legiit.com, think of it like Fiverr, but it's actually legit. Like, I'm not sure if these people are vetted before they're able to post something on here, but I think they are, right? I think that's like the whole thing about this site. Now, this was actually recommended to me by a friend of mine who's very good at SEO, and I forget why, but like I was talking about like how I needed to like boost some video or something like that. He's like, oh, why don't you just order something on Legiit? And I was like, what the hell is that? So basically, like this site, they have a lot of very good offers on here. And like literally, like I'm looking at this right now, I'm just kind of drooling about all of the cool stuff that you can do, right? Like for example, let's take this one, Whiteboard Animation. Now you have to understand, like if you're in the internet marketing world, like stuff like this, like a whiteboard animation, this is not so hard, right? Like buy software that's like 50 bucks or 100 bucks, you make a little whiteboard video, you pick some scenes, and that's it, right? But to like your average business owner who like barely knows how to use Facebook, like this is very valuable. And ideally, like this guy doesn't have a whiteboard animation video. Oh yeah, actually he does. Let's watch this. Now I'm in a coffee shop right now, so you probably won't be able to hear the audio so well. So I'll just play this anyway. Let's see. Music anyway. Alright, homecart.com. One-stop place for all your shopping needs. Alright, this is actually a pretty awful whiteboard video. But this one. Let's look at explainer videos. Might be better. Okay, now obviously, like you're going to need to take a look and like figure out the best service that you think would convert the highest. Generally, the ones that have a lot of reviews probably do better. Let's watch this one.
Are you in need of roof repair, replacement, or installation of a new roof? Don't risk losing your furniture and all your
Okay, that one doesn't even have a video. This is like a bad... Alright, here we go.
Meet Karen and her family. Karen loves her family. Bill, Tommy, and Laura. And Spot, too. But what Karen doesn't love is constantly worrying about them. Whether it's while Bill is working his construction job,
alright, so this one is pretty
Tommy
good.
riding his skateboard, or while Laura is at dance class.
Okay, so let's take a look here. Now, this is actually pretty good because it's just good enough for like a business, right? Take any business. Oh, Karen blah 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 like hates her life. I don't know, whatever. $150. Like you could easily charge $1,000 for this, right? Like easily. And then what do? You make a Paigham Bot campaign that says, hey, we make whiteboard explainer videos. and then you essentially like put, like, I'm pretty sure you can like, oh yeah, save video as, right? You put this video on like a ClickFunnels like landing page, and you can even like record a little bit of a video beforehand, be like, hey, like, welcome to like whiteboardvideos.com. We specialize in, you know, making whiteboard videos. We do a great job. We have unlimited revisions, videos done in HD. We do the voiceovers. We do background music. Here's a quick 1-minute video sample. Take a look. If you want to know more, click the button below, fill out a form, and we'll get back to you ASAP, right? Obviously, you're going to want to do it like a little bit more polished than what I said just now. But man, that's easy money right there, okay? So that's whiteboard videos. Now, the reason why I like this site is because you have a lot of very unique services on here that you probably don't have in other places. And the fact that these are all vetted also makes it very attractive. Like, let's see, what is this? This is influencer marketing. There's no actual influencers on here. I think there's one for Google reviews. Let's look at Google reviews. Yeah, permanent, oh, Google Plus review, who cares about that? Google reviews, here we go. Google Map Pack Booster combo. I think this will boost the rank of your business on Google Maps. Let's take a look at that. Let's take a look at that. So again, the cool thing about Paigham Bot is that you're not even, I mean, you're limited by two things, okay? You're limited by the size of your list, like the amount of data that you have, and you're also limited by the amount of offers that you have. Because like Paigham Bot is great and everything, but like, I'm not saying it's a one-trick pony, but like you can't really contact the same list over and over for the same offer. I mean, you can, but like because they can't really opt out, you don't want to like, you need to tread that line carefully between like just offering people something once and like spamming them repeatedly for the same thing. Okay, so that's why I like sites like this, because you have literally unlimited offers that you can do. And then once you find one that sells really well, if you want to, you can choose to develop that into like a more full-fledged business and market it in other ways. So let's see what this does. Boost your website, Google Maps, blah, blah, blah. Improve your website Google rankings. Let's see. All right, we're not going to watch that. But basically, like, you can take one of these videos, you can put it on a ClickFunnels landing page, and you can essentially resell this guy's service just by blasting Paigham Bot campaigns. You can paste these reviews. Like, you can literally, like, if you have a Windows computer, you can use what's called the Google snipping tool. This is super useful. This is like, oh my God, this is like gold right here. And you can say, like, check out our awesome reviews, and you paste, like, you do like 10 of these, right? And you actually just like, let's get the good ones. This is my second time ordering for this geotag service from SEO Magician. I'm glad that the first project ranked on local 3-pack, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, this is like legit Tim Murphy, or like looks legit, you know? John Splice, great seller, totally pleased, blah, blah, blah. This guy has 7 pages of reviews, okay? And let's see how much this one is. $59, one premium Google Master Map Pack Booster, 180 local places. I don't even know what this crap is, but like, who cares? At the end of the day, like you essentially, you don't even really need to know. All you're really doing is you're connecting the potential buyer with the seller, and you know, you resell the service and then you connect them. Okay, you're essentially white labeling their services, which is really like the magic of Paigham Bot. Like, yeah, okay, you can sell your own stuff if you want, but the real money, I would say, is in white labeling other people's services that are applicable for like that every business needs, right? Yeah, you can do like niche services also, but if you do, like, if you white label other people's services, then really the sky's the limit in terms of like what you can sell, right? Because like even all of these like map services or whatever, like I can literally, like, as long as all of these have a video, I can run a campaign for every single one of these if I want. And like, you're constantly scraping for more contact pages, you're constantly scraping more data. Like, you're really only limited by like how often you want to run the bot and set it up for like 5 minutes a day. Like, it doesn't even take that long. Okay, rank booster, custom Google reviews, like it's all very useful stuff, you know, to a business who like is an actual business and not like just some guy like running a contact form submitter from some cafe. Cool. Okay, so if you guys like that video, click subscribe. Try to put out videos as often as I can. If you want to support me on Patreon, head over to Patreon. Give me a couple bucks every month to get some video, some use out of these videos. If you want to watch my fitness channel, head over to my fitness channel. Put links in the description. Just click on one of those videos and you will subscribe to my other channel automatically. Yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Peace.